Students, this illustration relates to the topic cost of material consumed, and under this illustration it is given that Punya Trust runs a charitable hospital. How will be the following items dealt while preparing income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet at that date? The information is given that the stock of medicines, opening stock is 30,000 as on 1st April 2018 and closing stock is 5,000 as at 31st March 2019. Creditors for medicines, opening creditors are 20,000 and closing creditors are 13,000. Advance paid for medicines on 31st March 2019, it is the payment of advance payment during the current year, 13,000. Advance paid for medicines carried from the last year, that is from 31st March 2018, it is 2,000. Amount paid for medicines during the year is 1,08,000. So here first of all we will calculate the cost of material consumed, and we will start from the amount paid for medicines during the year, 1,08,000. So here we will write payment made for medicines during current year is given 1,08,000, and the next information is given about opening and closing stock. So we will add here opening stock and we will deduct closing stock from here. So the opening stock is given 30,000 and closing stock is 5,000 plus 30,000 and we will deduct 5,000. Why we have added opening stock and deducted closing stock here? Because the trust had made payment for medicines 1,08,000 during the year. It means these are the stock of medicines, or we can say that this is the amount of purchases by the trust, 1,08,000, and it has already in stock rupees 30,000 medicines. So the total stock or the total amount of medicines with the trust was 1,38,000, and at the last, that is the closing stock is given on the last date, 5,000 is the remaining stock with the trust. So it means that the firm had consumed the remaining balance, that is 1,38,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 1,33,000, and this material is consumed by this trust. So that is why the closing stock remains 5,000. So next adjustment is given. Creditors for medicines, opening 20,000 and closing is 13,000. So we will add closing creditors, that is 13,000, because amount is yet to be paid. Payment yet to be made. So that is why this has been added to the expenses, and we will deduct opening creditors because the payment has already been made for these creditors, and the amount is 20,000. It was 20,000. Yes, it is 20,000. Just given here. So the next adjustment is advance paid for the medicines as on 31st March. It is for the next year. 13,000 is paid for the next year, so it will be deducted from here. Less advance paid as on 31st March 2019, because it is the payment for next year, so it will be deducted here 13,000, and we will add the advance paid as on 31st March 2018, that is during current year. During previous year, it is for the current year payment. It is previous year but paid for the current year, so this amount is 2,000, and we will add it. So here the answer comes total is 1,53,000, and when from 1,53,000 the amount, that is 38,000, is deducted, it will come 1,15,000. So the answer is 1,15,000, and it is the cost of material consumed during current year. So this amount will be written under the income and expenditure account as an expense. Medicines consumed amounting to rupees 1,15,000, and under balance sheet, come to the balance sheet. As on 31st March 2019, closing creditors we will write on liability side, creditors, and on asset side closing stock will be written, and advance payment for medicines will be written here. So closing creditors are 13,000 and closing stock is 5,000. Creditors 13,000 and stock is 5,000, and the advance payment for medicines for next year, advance payment for medicines for next year, this is the payment for next year, it is 13,000. 13,000 will be written under the asset side. So this is the accounting treatment of cost of goods consumed under income and expenditure account, and these are the calculations related with cost of medicines consumed.